Hi my glamorous viewers, this is my second makeup look for the Eid nighttime party makeup or night get together for the Eid. And to make the video short, I have finished my left side of my eyes and everything, contouring everything left side. So I'm going to repeat this on my right side so that it's not time consuming. So without further ado, let's start. As far as foundation routine, I have used this primer from Smashbox, and then I use the MAC Strobe cream. It has a pearly effect, so it gives you kind of little glow underneath the foundation, or you can mix it with the foundation. Today for my foundation routine, I use Born This Way from Too Faced, one of my favorite. This is my foundation routine. After my foundation routine, I have locked my foundation or baked my foundation with Lock It Translucent from Kat Von D. Underneath my, as you can see, still is there, is white brightening powder. And now I'm gonna go back to my eye makeup. As usual, underneath my eyebrows, I have highlighted with soft ochre, but for eyeshadow, I'm using just a simple brush from Bobbi Brown, and taking this side, the flat side, and applying the soft ochre to make the skin look one color. And it helps, as usual, everybody knows, but knowledge is powerful. We have to say, we have to repeat things. This helps you to adhese your eyeshadow and even out your eyeshadow stays for as long as you don't wash it, doesn't make creases, blah 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 blah. Then a lot of people use lots of powder to set it, like Nikki, Patrick, but I cannot do it because I have a matured skin, so I don't do too much powder. I just take any kind of little powder, just on the other side of the brush, very fluffy, very soft. I just tap little bit of powder, just it doesn't have too tacky, it doesn't have too dry. Now underneath my eyebrows, I'm using definitely this time two palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One is Modern Renaissance, and second one is Soft Glam. So I'm gonna say all the names because every time holding the palette and showing, it doesn't feel comfortable in my hand. So whatever color I'm applying, I'm gonna definitely describe to you guys. Morphe R34 brush for my transition color, and for the transition color I'm using burnt orange. It's a very soft orangey color, like not orange, it's like a terracotta type of color, and very softly apply. Take your sweet time to create your transition color, because I think once your transition color is nicer, it actually looks good. The eyeshadow looks much more beautiful. That's just, I think. And another thing, I don't do a lot of new makeup artists, who they just started their career, they just take like pop lots of color and then try to blend it. Take a little bit at a time, take your sweet time and see like how you like it. Then you go add color. Adding is easier than taking out from the skin. Now for my underneath my eyebrows, to highlight my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the R43 brush from Morphe, and then use Tempera, the color. It's a very natural, almost looks like a cream color powder. It's not frosty, that's why I love it. It's not very glittery, it's very matte. Some looks, because I will be having too much glitter here, so as you can see, so I usually do opposite. It's just me, it's a preference, you can do whatever you like. When I'm using too much glitter, I like to go my underneath eyebrow matte. If I'm doing a very subtle one, I like to do it glittery. It's just, as I said, personal preference. So again, after putting that tempera, I'm gonna blend it down with the same brush I used from Morphe R34. I'm not taking any product. Whatever product was in the brush, I'm just kind of blending it out. From Soft Glam Palette, I'm using the brush E36 from Morphe and using the color Mulberry on the corner of my outer corner of my eyes. This one I'm going little slow, and probably I will be taking a close-up mirror, excuse me for that, but it's okay, just to see how far I'm going. And once you do one eye and try to match the second one, you kind of go back and forth. I hope you guys understand that part. I'm not taking it out all the way here, just outer corner, and trying to drag it a little bit almost near my eyebrow ending. And on the corner, just the inner corner, I will do a bit, just a dot. And I'm keeping this part clean because I will be putting a golden color on that. For my middle part, I'm taking the M421 brush from Morphe and using bronze from that palette, Soft Glam palette. It's a pure gold color, beautiful color. I'm going to close my eyes so that you can see that before I put the glitter, how does it look. Now I'm using the glitter on the middle of my, it's from Revlon, this one. One side is the powder, one side is the glitter. It's beautiful. And it's so soft and so fine texture. And above all, whenever we are putting glitter on our eyes or bride, I'm doing bride makeup or party makeup, when I tell client, keep your eyes closed, don't open. Sometimes client is too curious, they open and it has a line like it makes look so tacky, but this one dries very fast, which impressed me. My all-time favorite is Urban Decay Midnight Cow, but this is also very, very good. And it's very soft cooling effect when you apply. It feels so good. Okay, it dried, so I was looking down so that it dries, but still see it. When you open your eyes, it touches this part. So I'm going to clean this part. I like this part, this one, for because it was wet. So when you look up, it touches that part and it doesn't look good. Anyway, I'm going to fix that. In the meantime, I'm putting my inner line kajal. And I always prefer to do my tight line. For the eyeliner, guys, I'm using today a blue color eyeliner from Prestige. It's they don't make it anymore. So when I get to know that they don't make it anymore, I went crazy. So I went to online and ordered 6 of them. So they dry fast. God knows what's gonna happen. One of my favorite eyeliner. Since it's I'm trying to be stingy about that eyeliner, so to create that blue look, because my sari has little bit of blue line, that's why I have that purplish bluish bindi on my head. We call it in Bangla tip. So I'm gonna use this Too Faced blue color pencil eyeliner, so that on top of that, when I use my favorite one, the color still has there. So see how I'm doing it, but because of the eyeshadow primer, all these things, they drink up the blue color, so it hides, it doesn't show as vibrant blue as this one. So that's why I'm going to create my eyeliner with this one first. Just one coat I need on top of this. That's it. Yeah, I'm good to go. This is one of my favorite, don't get me wrong, but this one is a lighter blue, that's why. But I wanted to have like a very vibrant purplish blue, so probably that's why I'm doing it. But this is also a very good product. And underneath my black, I'm using one line just to create that bluish tone. So this is the eyeliner I'm talking about. You have to shake it very much because it's like very thick, so if you shake it, the color comes out really good. Again, I have to take a small mirror to get closer. Sometimes in the video, unless you are watching in a TV, who has time at the home, most of the time we are watching our YouTube either on the go, either on the phone, either on our tab. Unless you watch it in a big screen TV, you don't see this beautiful color. But if you follow me in my Instagram, you will see every time I make a video, I post the still photo so that you guys can see the makeup more closer. So please don't forget to follow me in my Instagram and follow me in my Snapchat, please, so that you guys can relate with my crazy life. I can relate with your guys' beautiful life, so we get more friendly with each other. That's the way we build up. Okay, believe me or not, after this, when my makeup is complete, everything is complete, I'm gonna put another coat because I like it. So now, as far as the mascara, you guys all knows because it's golden. I like this one. Oops, my fingers, that's giving me hard time, man. So this is from Tarte. I'm gonna apply the top, lower also. This mascara is my very favorite, but for lower, because I don't have much lashes, hardly have lashes, so for lower I prefer from MAC. This one is called Extended Play Lash. It's really work out with the small lashes, but first coat I definitely use that one. Now I'm gonna do my underneath the black eyeliner from Inglot 77 using MAC eyeliner brush, simple brush, you can use any brush. Okay guys, so I have done my eye part, so now allow me to take out this whitening powder. Long time they were lying on my underneath my eyes. So for the contouring, I'm using Hoola bronzer. Everybody knows what it is. And for my nose, where is my brush? Where is my brush? I'm sweating, guys. Terribly sweating. Okay, I got it. So I'm using E47 from Morphe and then Hoola bronzer, and I already marked it, so on my nose and definitely on my cheeks. For my cheeks, actually I always use the brush they have inside it. I have a big forehead, so I have to try to make it a little, and my double chin. So to blend my contouring powder using the same brush because it has product, but then again, when you're doing it, it's not working out, you have to change your mind. So for that, I am gonna use, remember the Bobbi Brown brush I was using, the concealer? It is a very soft brush, so I'm gonna use this part. Is very important to blend properly. You don't want to have a brown line from 50 miles away. This side I already did, but for the sake of showing, Now the blush on I'm using from NARS, it's called Orgasm. Smile to find out your cheekbones and apply it. See how I write my number on the brush? It's 169 from MAC, because sometimes it's hard when you clean them and the number is gone. I just run just softly just to get all over that same consistency, same color. Now I'm gonna use my highlighter. This one I'm using with my finger. With Morphe Art 36 brush, I'm gonna blend it a little bit. By the way, I use the same color on my nose to sharpen my nose. That's my favorite part of the makeup. Now, see, I have the lashes. I'm gonna put the lashes and make my hair start. For lip pencil, I have used Lancome Midnight Sand. The lipstick I have used from Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's called Kiss. These are 4 lipsticks, come in a box. It's a mini lipsticks. I love the mini collection. Always I love the mini, so that it doesn't stay with you for a long time. It's finished, you buy it. And on top of that, I have used the gloss. This one is Candy. This is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So my trick is I put it, it looks funny, so I'm gonna use the same lipstick and just blend it. It's a preference, you can use your lip brush, you can use pencil, but I like the color lipstick underneath I like to use this to blend it down. Now I have done my glitter lashes and I said I'll come back, but at the end of the makeup I feel like putting a little bit of this purplish shadow underneath my eye, and that was from this palette, and the color is deep purple. I just used the pencil brush and used it if you guys can see. And that is it. It concludes the makeup, and I'm just gonna spray my makeup fixer. And this is a new makeup fixer from MAC. It has a ball, it has a curly particle, so just shake it before you apply it. It's very nice. So that concludes my makeup, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup and you apply it in your eat time and send me some pictures, and I will be very glad if you guys share it, subscribe it, and definitely follow me in Instagram and my Snapchat. I would really appreciate if you guys really make some comment, bad, good, whatever, let it come. And that's it. I hope to see you guys for my next video. Happy Eid. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.